All right, so today's fix will be customer was or renter was with the RV, and for the connection on the electrical side, this little door was left open, so the cord was hanging out and dragging on the road most likely, and sustained some pretty good damage. Pulled out the ground connection inside the cable, so obviously that's not safe, and I gotta swap that out. So what I'm gonna do today is just take off the entire top connection and replace it with a new one. So let's get started. So to get started, I picked up this replacement plug from Amazon. It was a decent price and it had a handle on the back, which is really what I liked about it because it made it a lot easier to maneuver around than the original stock version. And so to get it installed, the first thing that I did was just to remove the original plug, and I decided just to go ahead and cut the plug off, and then that would enable me to strip back the cable sheathing to access the wires inside. It was a little tough to cut the sheathing back with the wire cutters, so to speed up the process I just grabbed my tin snips, and that made things a lot easier and faster. Next, I prepared the plug by removing the 4 screws that were in the plastic cover. And then I grabbed the electrical cable and placed it inside the plug just to get a measurement to see how far back that I would need to cut the sheathing so that it would fit inside and it would be the proper length. Once I had all the wires exposed, I just stripped them back one by one, and then I attached them to the metal prongs inside. With all the wires connected to the prongs, I placed the plastic cover back onto the plug and then tightened everything down. And that was it, really. Good as new. Hopefully this was helpful. You got some value out of it. I placed links to the parts that I used in the description section. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, leave those down below as well. As always, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.